The lemon and ginger detox drink and cucumber and mint combo are very effective for weight loss because they help aid in the digestive process. When combined with an effective exercise regimen, the lemon and ginger detox drink can work wonders. When trying to lose weight, we should not only rely on certain types of diets and exercise routines but also detox liquids. Though a good diet is imperative for weight loss, it is essential you include detox drinks to make it more effective. Detox drinks are excellent for digestion, and if your digestion is good, then your weight loss journey will be easier. By definition, detox drinks help in flushing out toxins from the body and boost the body's metabolism. Detox drinks that you can start having right away. 1. Lemon and ginger detox drink. This is a wonderful drink that is very effective for weight loss. Squeeze half a lemon in a glass of lukewarm water and add an inch of grated ginger. Drink this every morning and check your weight after 1 to 2 months. Ginger contains gingerol, which is known to prevent stomach problems and aid digestion. Lemons are not only rich in vitamin C but also antioxidants that fight the production of free radicals in the body. When combined with an effective exercise regimen, this can work wonders. 2. Cinnamon and honey. This is made by mixing a spoonful of honey and half a tablespoon of cinnamon in a glass of warm water. A dash of fresh lime can help in the fat-burning process. Cinnamon is known to curb cravings while honey aids metabolism. 3. Cucumber and mint detox drink. This mixture not only helps in flushing out toxins from the body but is also good to taste. Cucumber and mint when added to water are a good combination for digestion. Take a large pitcher and add a few cucumber slices along with fresh mint leaves. Let it infuse for some time and keep drinking from it the entire day. Cucumber contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals, and due to its hydrating effect, it aids in the removal of toxins from the body. 4. Green tea. This is a calorie-free drink and something that most Weight Watchers swear by. Green tea contains catechins, antioxidants that help suppress the production of free radicals in the body. It has also been shown to activate the body's thermogenic fat-burning activity. 5. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is known to be a natural diuretic and can help in flushing out excess water. It also contains anthocyanin, a powerful antioxidant that helps combat certain infections and diseases and helps in managing cholesterol levels. It is known for helping in avoiding urinary tract infections.